January 10th, 2021 in Coleman, Texas. We have a small car tote trailer, as you can see. And since its ramps are off the ground, I figure it was air temperature, and that would be the best way to measure accumulation. We have, as of about 20 minutes ago, 4 3/4 inches on those ramps. But it's been snowing like this for hours. You can see how fast it's coming down. It might be over 5 inches already. It's building up on the trees. It's already broken a couple of branches. We have a couple of really large, pretty cedar trees. I went outside with a long stick and tried to knock some of it off, but it broke one branch anyway. Very disappointing. It is just really coming down.